What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Piles Customs Garage. Today's episode, we're going to be racing this at the LMR cruising event. So if you're not familiar with LMR is late model resto. They sell SVE stuff, a lot of Ford stuff. Basically, probably the number one website to get anything for a 79. It's a 93 Mustang and S95s, new edges, and newer Mustang. As you see, we got a box right there. So we buy a lot of their stuff. And they're actually having a cruise-in at Texas Motor Speedway tomorrow. Because today's Friday. But tonight, this is the first year they're doing a fast night. I think is what they're calling it, or drag night. In Ennis at Texas Motorplex, which is a quarter-mile strip. And I'm excited to say that me and my dad are going to be racing this. First time on strip ever, so we're going to kind of see what we can do. We have this bump steer kit we were going to install, but we ran out of time. And it is today, and we won't have time to get it aligned or anything, so we're just going to have to wing it and use both of our hands when driving when we're not shifting. But we did do some modifications. So the cross member was missing 2 bolts. Right there. So we got those in. Transmission was leaking from the speedometer cable. There was no O-ring. So, right. Come on, focus. There's the speedometer cable. I need to wash all this off. But that was leaking. So, because you can't have any leaks on the track for obvious reasons. There is a new, we did install a new shifter. There's a new Hurst actual shifter. And the transmission crossmember was hitting the H-pipe, so we adjusted that and kind of pushed the butt end of the transmission back up. So now I need to tuck this wire and fix, let me show you. That right there. We had to modify that clip and cut the lock ring off because, or not lock ring, but the little snap thing off because it was hitting supercharger belt. So I need to put electrical tape around that and make sure it stays. If not, we'll only have one fan and could overheat. As you see, it's a little wet right there. I dabbled some of this Tamiya cement I used to use for plastic models and stuff, so hopefully that will stay. But other than that, that's really the only thing. I'm just gonna wash it. Then what else? You put the helmet in the car. You vacuum the car out. That's mainly for tomorrow, but we're gonna get home late. I don't really want to do it at like midnight. I gotta get up early tomorrow, but everything else should be golden. Got the carb bidet out. See how the oil came off? Which is exactly what you wanted, because when we fixed the leak for the transmission, but all that fluid is under there, and they may not pass it because of tech, because all that fluid will look like a leak in the bottom. So wash it all off. It should be good to go. Well, our luck, we're having to winch it on the trailer. It ran out of fuel right here, directly right here. So we're winching it on the trailer. Gonna get on the trailer, then stop by the fuel station and get some fuel. So far not off to a good start. We are all loaded up. Got the jack stand, some wood, then helmet, tools, torque wrench, whatever. Oh, and my racing shades. Check those out. But yeah, got the tools and everything just in case if crap goes sideways. So head to the station, get fuel, start at the station, make sure everything works, and that is the issue. We were trying to leave until this came up. So now we're sitting right here waiting for Dad's truck to update. At the station getting fuel. We're gonna put some in it, then hopefully it'll start. If not, then we are in a heap of trouble. Oh yeah, we're good. It's running way better now. Way better. Oh yeah. Well, we're back home. Canceled the drag race. They canceled the drag race due to bad weather. So, can't race. So, you're gonna do the cruising tomorrow, then meet up with some friends and have a good time tomorrow. I headed to the LMR cruising, whole lot better weather. So, let's go see some pretty awesome Mustangs. That way we don't get demonetized by YouTube.
Yeah.
What a cruiser. Very nice. Little Mach 1 action. Nice. Do it again. Bunch of Mustangs and Explorers. There's Explorers too. Super cool. Super cool. Got the free gear. But check out this Godzilla LMR Foxbody. This thing is rad. This car is clean. With some Capris. Oh, those Capris are sick. Clean SVO over here. Oh, 8-inch GT350. Oh, this thing is real clean. I like those wheels a lot. This thing is sweet. So is this. Carbureted, 84, 83 front end. Boosted boy. Celine Aeronose, 510. Same intake my dad has. Oh, this car is so clean. So is this one. Oh, here's a tack too.
Huh?
Here's one of the shift light tacks. That's what you need.
Yeah.
This car is clean. The custom B blocks go crazy. That is sick. This 4i is amazing. That stance is wicked. It's got 302. Yep. Victor Jr. intake. I bet this thing gets down. So cool. But look at all the Cobra R's. That's a whole lot of Cobra R's. Sheesh. Friends of guy on Facebook, Jacob Dearborn. This thing is sweet. So many Cobra R's. There's like 100 of them, and half of them are here. Celine Foxbody, but it's a notch. I've never seen that before. Highway patrol car with the lights. That is so cool. It'd be cool to put a supercharger on one of these.
Yeah.
Another one. New S650. That's a clean Lightning. That's real clean. Pretty cool Cobra. Never seen this color before. Looks to be an NA Cobra. It's awesome. Dude, this 7.3. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. This thing's awesome. This thing is rad. The Calypso green, two-tone. But he's got the dual sushi slicers. Dude, Calypso green is one of my favorite colors ever. They're just so clean. Dang, drag pack with the inline 6. That goes crazy. This thing's pretty cool though. I think this one is twin turboed or something. Yeah. With an LS in it. Nice. convertible. I wonder if this guy's a Cervini hood. This guy. Oh, you need cow checks, bro. Yikes. Car's back at the shop. It is a little dirty again. It's, yeah, we got it dirty because it was wet last night and just driving all today. So had a blast at LMR cruising. Hope y'all liked the footage. We had an absolute amazing time. Got to see some awesome cars and some inspiration for this car. A lot of people have probably noticed that these wheels and tires stick out slightly, and we've always been curious, like, why is that, you know? Well, we've come to the conclusion that this car has SVO brakes. SVO brakes push it out about an inch this way. So it's Fox length axles with SVO brakes. So we're gonna probably do a new brake kit sometime soon. AC is coming, even though it is fallish, but you know, when it's raining, cold outside, if you don't have AC in the inside, it kind of fogs up the windows and whatnot. It makes it hard to drive. This is our first year at LMR entering something. We were gonna go last year, but it just, the serpentine belt slipped off. We had a tensioner issue literally on the way there, so we couldn't bring the car last year, but we did get to go. We went in 2021 as well. So it's our third year going, but first year of actually entering something in, and it was never disappoints. Didn't get the drag races video, but next video we have something coming in that may make up for it. So that's the only thing I'm gonna say. Kind of a product review, kind of not. I'm not gonna say much, but the next video will make up for us not drag racing. That's all I'll say. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you all enjoyed some of the cars that we got to see at LMR. It was a great event. If you don't know what LMR is, like I said at the kind of the beginning, is a restoration company for late model Mustangs and Lightnings and OBS Fords and whatnot. My motor for the Fairlane right there, sorry. It's a 302 roller, so that was a Mustang motor. That was a Foxbody Mustang motor and S95, and I have gotten tons of parts in there from LMR. My cam, timing cover, basically my entire valve train, intake, stuff like that. So LMR, great place, great prices. If you live in Texas, you can get it within 2 days. So great stuff all around. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel. We are growing, and I love growth, and I love that the channel is slowly there, almost at 1,500 subscribers. Hoping to hit 1,500 before the year's over. That would be awesome sauce. So once again, thank you all so much. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.